Hi, I'm Dr. Colby Stobbs, and let me share with you how we help our patients in our office who have sustained injuries in auto accidents. The most common auto accident injuries we see in our office are neck pain and back pain. Secondary injuries that we see are namely shoulder issues and knee issues. We treat these issues through all three phases of healing. Those three phases of healing are the inflammation stage, the repair stage, and the remodel stage. We do this using different therapies in each stage. In the inflammation stage, we use interferential current and ultrasound. The goal during this phase is to decrease your pain and your suffering. Interferential current uses electrical waves and that'll cause the muscles to relax and contract, which will cause a wave and force that inflammation out of the joint. And the inflammation is what's causing your pain. Ultrasound works in a similar way. It's a pulse sound waves that'll also push fluid, which will decrease the swelling in that joint or injured tissue. That is very good to decrease your pain in that phase. The second phase is the repair stage. This is the most important phase because we have your tissues in this phase heal with four negative effects. The negative effects are they are weaker, they are less flexible, and they are more susceptible to pain. What we're going to do is we need to restore that joint motion, and chiropractic is the only medicine that restores that joint motion in your three ranges of motion. The three ranges of motion are active, passive, and the joint space. We use chiropractic manipulation to gently maneuver the bones to restore restore your motion in all three of those ranges. The second thing that we will use is spinal decompression. Spinal decompression is intermittent traction, which will open up that joint space and take pressure off the nerve and help heal disc herniations and disc bulges, which are commonly seen in auto-related injuries. The third and final stage is the remodel stage, and this is when your tissues are weak and they're less mobile, so we will use active therapy or exercises to strengthen those tissues and make sure you're as flexible as possible. If we don't strengthen those tissues, you will heal with a permanent injury, and that permanent injury will cause you stiffness and pain for the rest of your life. If you've been in an auto accident or auto-related injury, we can help you. Call me at 727-519-3757.